side to side pretty bad. Coming in for a landing now. We're going really slow. I'm surprised we're not falling out of the sky. Like, look how slow we're going. I say we're going about, well, I don't know. We're going pretty slow. But there's the land, there's the airport up there. Oh, you can feel it drop out of the sky. You can literally feel it dropping. All the blades are out, everything. You should hear the motor just screaming. We're wobbling around. We're wobbling around. Oh, I got butterflies there. Big time butterflies. Like we're only like about 100 feet up and down. Oh wow. We're like maybe 100 feet. There we go. We're going to touch down in a second. Oh, we're just above the telephone lines. There we go. Look at the wing just bouncing. There we go. We're about 50 feet off the ground. Oh, no, now we're going 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and touchdown. Oh. Oh. That was a hard landing.